If you want to know everything about this red bombshell look, where this hair is from, how it was installed, and who installed it, keep watching. This is a 13x6 lace frontal with a transparent lace. It is 28 inches long and 250 density. I love that. I love a thick wig. This wig is from Alipear Hair Company, and I quickly showed you everything the hair comes with. Now let's get into the install process. Here my stylist is just putting the wig on my hair and plucking it a little bit more so we could get that perfect widow's peak hairline that we were trying to achieve, and we did. So then she's gonna pull the wig back and add the first layer of glue. Here she's just spreading it out, and then eventually she adds another layer and spreads that out as well. Make sure you're letting your first layer of glue dry before adding your second, third, fourth, however many layers you add. Just make sure you're letting each layer dry clear, and also make sure you let all the glue dry clear before you lay the lace over the glue. And now she's just pulling the wig up and placing it on my head perfectly, and she's taking her time doing this to make sure she aligns it perfectly to cover my natural hair underneath the wig, because this is a thin lace, which is good because that means it's gonna melt and give scalp even better. Then she puts on the elastic band to really give that melted look. And as you can see, the wig came pre-curled already, which is super great if you just like to slap your wig on straight out the package. So now she's just brushing the curls out, and they actually look really pretty, but we're gonna add our own curls later on. So I sat under the dryer for a little bit to give it an extra melt, and then after she takes me out the dryer and starts to cut the lace, and she takes her time with that to make sure she's cutting it perfectly. Don't rush it. If you want a flawless install, you have to take your time. And this is us already feeling the look before we even styled it, because the curls the wig came with were actually really pretty, and I was feeling the color. I love this perfect color red. And now she's just cutting the other side, and like I said, I'm already feeling this look and we're not even close to done. So we decided to cut some layers into this hair to make the curls look extra bouncy. I love a layered curled look. So this is her just cutting the layers on both sides. And then she begins to curl the hair with using her curling iron. First she sprayed hairspray on each part and then curled it. That's why they look extra shiny. And this hair of course took the heat really well because it's 100% human hair. And even though it's a red colored wig, I love that the red color didn't bleed anywhere. Like it didn't go on my makeup and it didn't go on my clothes, which typically happens with red wigs, but this hair did not do that at all. So that's not something you have to worry about when purchasing with Alipear. So now that she's done curling, she's just combing out the curls and they are eating. And then she realizes she needs to go back in with the scissors, so she does that and cuts some more layers to perfect it. And now she's just brushing the curls out on the other side. Finally, she gets to take off my elastic band, which is what we've all been waiting for. And period, melted lace wear. This is straight from my scalp. This wig is honestly so beautiful. My favorite thing about it is probably the thickness and the length. I love thick hair. Like, I love a thick wig. It is 28 inches, but honestly it looked like 30 inches, and we love that. The lace on this wig was also super flawless, and the hair was super soft as well. If you're interested in this wig, go to the link in my description box for the direct link to this wig and a discount code, and as well as other wigs that Alipear has on their site. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.